Hello, I'm back and we have our problem number 2 for today. So the problem goes like this. If one of the endpoints of a line segment drawn in a coordinate plane is at 3, -4, and the midpoint of the segment is at -2, 1, determine the coordinates of the other endpoint. And our choices, A, -3, 1, B, 5, -2, C, -7, 6, D, 8, -2. So, are you ready guys for the solution? Meron na po ba kayong mga sagot? Or you can solve this mentally po. But, I will present the solution for the other po. So, using the point, so we have the given point. 3, -4. And midpoint, -2, 1. So, the given point, x sub 1, y sub 1. And for our midpoint, m sub x, m sub y. And we are looking for the coordinates of the other endpoint, x sub 2, y sub 2. So, we're going to use the midpoint formula. So, we have m sub x, or the coordinates of x of our midpoint, is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2. And then we have the coordinates of the midpoint, y is equal to y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. Using the given, so m sub x is -2 is equal to x sub 1, which is 3, plus x sub 2 over 2. Then, cross multiply. -2 times 2 is -4 is equal to 3 plus x sub 2. Then, subtracting 3 both sides, we have -4 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 3 plus x sub 2. And we obtain -7 for our x sub 2. Then, solving for y sub 2, we are going to use the coordinates of the midpoint y, which is 1, is equal to y sub 1, -4, plus y sub 2 all over 2. Then, cross multiply. 1 times 2 is 2, is equal to -4 plus y sub 2. Adding both sides by 4, so 2 plus 4 is equal to -4 plus 4 plus y sub 2. So we have 6 for our y sub 2. So the coordinates of the other endpoint that we are looking for is at -7, 6. So ito na po yung ating coordinates. Meron po tayong isang method po para ma-solve po yung ating ganitong problem po. So, to solve for, since meron tayo palang point, 3, -4, and -2, 1. So, we have x sub 1, y sub 1, and the coordinates of x of the midpoint and the coordinate of y of our midpoint. So, to solve for x sub 2, we're going to multiply the coordinates of x of the midpoint by 2 minus x sub 1. So, let's try. So, our x sub 2 is unknown, and 2 times -2 minus x sub 1, 3. So, x sub 2 is equal to -4 minus 3. Therefore, x sub 2 is -7. 7. And to find for y sub 2, same process lang po tayo. Y sub 2 is equal to 2 times the coordinates of y of our midpoint minus y sub 1. So y sub 2 is unknown and 2 times m sub y is 1 minus y sub 1 is negative 4. So y sub 2 is 2 plus 4 and y sub 2 is 6. So the coordinates of the other endpoint is at negative 7, 6.